With broken records, we've set history. But now we need help from the citizens of Portland. And so far things have gone very well. We haven't had any major incidences. So we're asking for people today in the city to work with us, to give us the time to continue to clean up, to continue to remove the snow. And we need people to make good decisions and to make decisions that are practical and common sense today.
Kind of exciting to walk around, but it's also really eerie not having anybody out and no cars around. It's cool but strange at the same time.
We went snowshoeing down the Eastern Prong. Just a bit of an adventure. There was no one else there, but it was fun. It's pretty windy down there. It's nice. It's pretty exciting. I don't think I've ever seen snow like this.
You got a ways to go, George.
Oh, I got a long ways to go.
Yeah.